I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off Meta AI in WhatsApp. The Meta AI feature in WhatsApp lets you ask the artificial intelligence questions and create images. But while the Meta AI integration in WhatsApp can enhance your WhatsApp experience, at the end of the day you may decide it's just not for you. Thankfully, if you don't like Meta AI in WhatsApp, you can easily turn it off. Step 1. Launch WhatsApp. You'll land on your WhatsApp home screen. Step 2. Tap Settings in the menu along the bottom of the screen. The settings screen opens. Step 3. Tap Chats in this menu. The chat screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Show Meta AI button. The Meta AI button will no longer appear on your WhatsApp screen. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.